If you're a small business building a website, launching a web app, or running a service that needs reliable hosting, choosing the right VPS platform matters. You want something easy to manage, predictable in cost, and able to scale as you grow. Today, we'll compare Amazon Lightsail and DigitalOcean to help you pick which platform fits your small business. Let's start with Amazon Lightsail. Lightsail is positioned as the easiest way to get started with the broader Amazon Web Services (AWS) ecosystem without getting lost in its full complexity. One big strength is its simplicity and predictable pricing. It offers a straightforward setup for instances, virtual servers, storage, networking, and databases, all in one console. Another plus, if your business is already using or intends to tap into broader AWS services later, for example, load balancers, managed databases, global scaling, Lightsail offers an easier ramp-in. However, there are trade-offs. Because Lightsail is simplified, it does not expose every low-level AWS infrastructure feature up front, which may limit you if your business needs very fine-tuned control or complex architecture. Also, while the cost is predictable, you still need to monitor usage, data transfer, storage, etc. carefully if your traffic grows. Now let's look at DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean offers virtual machines called droplets. It has built a reputation for simplicity, developer-friendly interfaces, and lower entry pricing for small businesses and starters. For small businesses, benefits include very clearly laid out pricing, a wide choice of plans, a strong community/documentation base, and quick deployment of servers. The platform gives you flexibility. You choose the droplet size, region, operating system, and you can scale up as you grow. On the flip side, while DigitalOcean is simple compared to large cloud providers, you still need more hands-on server management, SSH, updates, security, compared to turnkey hosting solutions. Additionally, when you scale to very large or complex architectures, you might find the ecosystem less rich than AWS's full suite. Some users also feel pricing has become less aggressive. Choose Amazon Lightsail if your priority is ease of setup, predictable costs, and the ability to later tap into AWS's broader services. Choose DigitalOcean if your priority is straightforward VPS hosting, quick deployment, developer-friendly environment, and you're comfortable managing servers. Neither choice is wrong. Both are excellent for small businesses. The best one comes down to your team's capabilities, your expected growth, and how you want to manage infrastructure. Whichever you pick, the key is to deploy with intention, monitor your usage and costs, and build your infrastructure step by step, not overspending today for features you may not use. Good luck setting up your small business server,